I don't think they need that oven, that pizza oven. They could just put the pizza out on the shelf, right here on this table maybe, and it would cook. Because it is 400 degrees in Harrah's right now. It's disgusting. $85 for the whole damn pizza. Sounds crazy, but it's actually a really good deal if you got, I mean, if you have a group with you, even if you have just 4 people, you could just eat $85 worth of pizza and not eat the rest of the day. It'd be like a buffet. Otherwise, you got to pay $13.99 for a slice. So that's about it's about a $40 discount. And if you can't eat it all, you could always come out here and sell some of it. I've got a way to get you a business license for $55. Just look me up, I'm in the book. It's under Fake Business Licenses, LLC. People are taking off their jackets left and right. I mean, I'm telling you, it's unsafe in here. I mean, they should just hand us a towel as we come in. The only thing I don't have in my backpack is a thermometer. I wish I did. I have a pocket fisherman to fish in the flamingo pond. I have a net to catch the ducks, the real tall ones that are pink. But I don't have a thermometer. I promise you it'd be reading about maybe 142, 143. Now I know why. 500. They've heated it up in here for the masseuse. I mean, that's pretty good. If you want a really good massage, you want it to be 144. there's another masseuse. I didn't see one $5 table, but I haven't been down that way yet. There's usually a couple down that way, but usually there's 4 or 5 right here. So Saturday night, maybe they're not going to do it.
Check that dice! Check it!
The stick man was too sore to bend over, so I picked it up for him. They did away with the $5 blackjack tonight. No, there is no $5 blackjack at Harrah's tonight, Saturday night. I didn't even see 10. 15 looks like the minimum. So a lot of the $5 tables they used to have, or they can change them electronically now. Same table. They were right here. Yeah, now they've got Mississippi stud, gimmick poker is what they've got. Ooh, there's air coming in now. This is the place to play out here. It's only about 88 degrees right here, which is bearable.
Till I made or break, this is my kingdom come. When you feel my pain, look into my eyes, it's clear my demons are. So don't get too close, please come inside, it's clear my demons are. This is how you make a save up to pay.